Hello folks, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create viral images that is trending on internet just like this on your Google Chrome or your any browser of any photo. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to huggingface.co, and from here scroll it down and go to Illusion Diffusion, and you will land on this page. And I created this version of Taylor Swift from this original photo. So what I did was I downloaded one loaded picture of Taylor Swift and I added here, and I changed the illusion strength to 3, and you just basically got to give it a prompt of what you want to have on your picture. I said a hill, jungle and a mountain, and after you have given the prompts, simply tap on the option run, and it will take a while to generate the image. You might face network error or hue error, so you got to have some patience, and after a while the AI will generate you an image. So in this way you can create tons and tons of viral pictures or images that are trending right now on internet. So this is the simplest method that you can do to create this viral picture of your or anyone at the internet. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.